DeepSeek v3 has taken the AI world by surprise with its impressive capabilities and groundbreaking
surprise
design.
with its
Developed by DeepSeek AI, this open-source model has entered the scene with 671 billion parameters, setting a new benchmark for large language
source
models.
model has entered
It's not
the
just
scene
the
with
sheer scale that's remarkable here, but the way it
671
uses its
billion
size and
parameters,
intelligence.
setting a
Instead of
new
overloading tasks with its
benchmark
entire
for large
parameter
language
count, the model
models.
activates only
Not
37
just the
billion
sheer
parameters
scale
for each
that's
token it processes.
remarkable
This selective
here, but the way
activation
it
is a
uses
game
its
changer, balancing power and
size
efficiency like few
intelligently
models
instead
before
of
it. Behind the scenes,
overloading
DeepSeek
tasks
v3's
with its
architecture
entire
combines a mixture of
parameter
experts
count.
framework
The model
with an advanced
activates
mechanism called multi-head
37
latent
billion
attention. Together, these
parameters for
techniques
each
help the model
token
decide which internal expert
processes.
networks to use for a specific problem.
This
For
selective
instance, when facing
activation
a
is
mathematical
a
puzzle, it relies on
game-changer,
specialized
balancing power
subnetworks
and
attuned to numerical reasoning,
efficiency like
whereas
few
a
models
coding
before
challenge
it.
triggers experts trained
Behind
to
the
interpret
scenes,
programming
DeepSeek
syntax and logic.
v3's
MLA then
architecture
keeps the model
combines a mixture
concentrated
of
on the most pertinent parts of the
experts
data,
framework
preventing the
with an
system
advanced
from getting lost in irrelevant
mechanism
details.
called
This framework is
multi-head
part of
latent
why DeepSeek v3 can
attention.
jump between
Together, these
tasks as
techniques
varied as
help
debugging a code
the
snippet,
model decide
analyzing
which
a data
internal
set,
expert
or engaging in a
networks
nuanced
to use
dialogue
for a
about
specific
philosophy,
problem.
all while maintaining
For instance,
consistently
when facing a
robust performance.
mathematical
To achieve this level
puzzle,
of
it
efficiency,
relies on
DeepSeek AI
specialized
curated a massive training set,
networks
ultimately
attuned to numerical
encompassing
reasoning,
14.8 trillion tokens,
whereas a coding
equivalent to
challenge
about
triggers
11.1 trillion words.
experts
This
trained
collection
to
was
interpret
carefully
programming.
assembled to provide coverage
Syntax
across a
and logic.
wide range of
MLA
domains,
then keeps the
including science,
model
technology,
concentrated on the most
literature,
pertinent
and mathematics.
parts
By
of the
exposing
data,
the model
preventing
to
the
such a
system
vast corpus,
from
the team
getting
ensured
lost
it
in
developed a
irrelevant
solid
details.
grasp of linguistic
This
subtleties,
framework is part of why
domain-specific
DeepSeek
vocabulary, and complex
v3
reasoning.
can jump
As a
between
result,
tasks as
DeepSeek
varied
v3
as
can handle intricate
debugging
tasks
a
like
code
integrating
snippet,
multiple
analyzing
data
a
streams for a system
data
architecture
set, or
project,
engaging in
solving
a
advanced
nuanced
calculus problems, and
dialogue
even
about
sustaining
philosophy,
long,
all while
context-heavy conversations
maintaining
without losing
consistently
track of the
robust
topic. The results
performance
speak for
to
themselves
achieve this
when looking
level
at
of
various benchmarks. On
proficiency.
Math 500,
DeepSeek
DeepSeek
AI
v3 earns an
curated
impressive score of 90.2,
massive training set
demonstrating
ultimately
strong mathematical reasoning
encompassing
and the ability to
14.8
interpret and
trillion
solve
tokens,
a broad array of numeric challenges.
equivalent to
It
about
also performs
11.1
exceptionally
trillion
well
words.
on platforms like Live
This
Code
collection
Bench and
was carefully
Codeforce,
assembled
where it effectively generates
provide
working
coverage
solutions to
across a
programming
wide
tasks,
range
validating its
of
coding
domains,
capabilities in
including science,
competitive environments.
technology,
In educational
literature,
metrics,
and mathematics.
DeepSeek
By
v3
exposing
scores 88.5
the
on
model
the
to such a
MMLU
vast
dataset,
corpus, the
indicating
team
strong performance across
ensured
multiple
it
high school
developed a
and
solid
college
grasp
level
of
subjects, and
linguistic
75.9
subtleties,
on the more
domain-specific
demanding MMLU Pro,
vocabulary
suggesting it can
and
handle
complex
deeper and more
reasoning as
specialized
a
tests of knowledge. Such
result.
versatility
DeepSeek
proves
v3
valuable
can
not
handle
just in
intricate
theoretical evaluations,
tasks
but
like
also
integrating
in
multiple
real-world
data
use cases such as
streams for a
automatically
system
generating
architecture,
software modules, analyzing
project
research
solving
data, and
advanced
providing
calculus
quick, reliable answers in
problems, and
educational
even sustaining
applications.
long,
DeepSeek v3's
context-heavy
developers are
conversations
particularly
without
proud of how they achieve
losing
these
track of the
results
topic. The
without
results
incurring astronomical
speak
costs.
for themselves
The
when
entire
looking
training
at
process used about
various
2.788
benchmarks on Math
million
500.
GPU hours
DeepSeek
on NVIDIA Height 100
v3
hardware,
earns an
culminating
impressive
in an
score of
expenditure of around
90.2,
$5.576
demonstrating strong
million.
mathematical
While still a
reasoning
substantial
and the
sum,
ability to
this
interpret
investment is significantly
and
lower
solve
than
a
what
broad
many
array
rival
of
models
numeric
have required, and the
challenges.
relatively
It
modest
also
budget is
performs
attributed to technical innovation
exceptionally
like the
well
dual
on
pipe
platforms
algorithm.
like
Dual pipe streamlines the
Live Code
interplay
Bench
between
and
computation
Codeforce,
and data
where
transfer phases, making
effectively
better use of
generates
available
working
hardware at
solutions
every step. By
to
reducing idle
programming
times and
tasks,
ensuring that
validating
data
its
is efficiently moved in and
coding
out of processors,
capabilities
the
in
model can
competitive
train at full capacity for longer
environments and
stretches,
educational
lowering both
metrics.
financial and environmental costs,
DeepSeek v3
further
scores
enhancing this efficiency.
88.5 on the
DeepSeek
MML
AI
dataset,
adopted FPATE mixed
indicating
precision training,
strong
which is an
performance
approach that
across
stores values in an 8-bit
multiple high
floating
school
point
and
format
college level
rather than the more common
subjects
16-bit or
and
32-bit formats.
75.9 on the
This
more
requires
demanding
less memory and allows more
MML Pro,
computations to
suggesting
happen
it can handle
simultaneously on
deeper
each GPU. Combined
and
with
more
a specialized load
tests
balancing
of
strategy
knowledge.
that eschews auxiliary
Such
losses,
versatility
meaning the
proves
model
valuable
doesn't
not
waste computation on side tasks
just in
that
theoretical
don't contribute to its primary
evaluations, but
objectives.
also
This setup
in
delivers
real-world use
consistent
cases
performance
such as
even in more constrained
automatically
hardware environments.
generating
Consequently,
software,
organizations with smaller
modules
budgets and limited
analyzing
GPU
research
clusters can
data,
still
and
deploy DeepSeek v3 for
providing
projects
quick,
ranging from
reliable
simple
answers
text
in
queries to large-scale
educational
analytics, offering a level of
applications.
accessibility
DeepSeek
that fosters
v3's
innovation in startups,
developers
universities,
are
and smaller
particularly
research
proud of
labs.
how
In keeping with
They
contemporary
achieved
trends,
these results
DeepSeek
without
V3 underwent rigorous
incurring
fine-tuning using
astronomical
both
costs.
supervised
The
methods
entire
and reinforcement learning.
training
This was
process
done
used
to
about
align its outputs more closely with human values and
2,788 million
expectations,
GPU
a crucial
hours
step in
on
building
NVIDIA
trust and
hardware.
ensuring the model's real-world
100 hardware
applicability.
culminating in
Lessons learned from the DeepSeek
expenditure
R1
of
series
around
helped refine these processes,
55,
so the final model
76
could better
million, while
handle
still a
ambiguous user
substantial
requests, provide
sum.
clear
This investment
justifications for
is
its outputs,
significantly
and avoid problematic
lower than what
content
many
when possible.
rival models
A context
have.
window that stretches up to
Required and the relatively modest
128,000 tokens
budget is
allows it to
attributed to
handle
technical
extremely lengthy inputs and
innovations
maintain
like the
continuity
dual-pipe
in
algorithm.
conversations or documents
Dual
that
pipe
span many
streamlines
pages,
the
a
interplay
feature especially valuable in
between
legal,
computation
scientific,
and data
literary
transfer.
settings where context
Phases
matters
making
immensely.
better use of available
One of the notable highlights of DeepSeek
hardware at
V3's
every
journey
step by
is its
reducing
open source nature. Unlike proprietary
times and
systems
ensuring
such as
that data is
GPT-4, which remain locked behind
efficiently
paywalls
moved
and
in
restricted
and out of
licenses, DeepSeek V3
processors.
is
The
available to
model can
anyone
train
through
at
GitHub
full
and Hugging Face.
capacity for
Developers,
longer stretches
researchers, and
lower
hobbyists can clone the
both
repository,
financial and
experiment
environmental
with its
costs,
code, and build new features
further
on top.
enhancing this
openness
efficiency.
not only democratizes access
Seek
to
AI
cutting-edge
adopted
AI,
Fate
but also
mixed
cultivates
precision
a community of contributors
training, which
who
is
can
an approach
collaborate
that
on improvements, detect
stores values in
vulnerabilities,
an 8-bit
and
floating
add
point
specialized modules that cater
format
to niche
rather than the
applications.
more common
This collaborative
16-bit
approach has already led to
or
interesting
32-bit
spin-offs,
formats.
with
This
third-party
requires
developers
less
fine-tuning DeepSeek
memory and
V3
allows
for
more
areas like
computations to
bioinformatics, robotics
happen
control, and even creative
simultaneously
writing
on each
assistants,
GPU,
underscoring how an open platform
combined
can
with a
ignite
specialized
widespread
load
innovation.
balancing
DeepSeek
strategy
AI,
that
based in
Azure's
China,
auxiliary
acknowledges the regulatory environment
losses,
that
meaning the
requires
model
compliance
doesn't
with local
waste
standards, including guidelines
computation
on certain
on side
sensitive
tasks
topics.
that don't
While this can constrain what the
contribute
model
to
can
its
discuss in
primary
specific
objectives.
contexts, the team has
This
not let
setup
these
delivers
limitations
consistent
stifle technological breakthroughs or
performance
hinder
even in more
applications that
constrained
comply with various regional norms.
hardware
On the
environments.
funding side,
Consequently,
high-flyer capital management and
organizations
quantitative hedge
with
fund
smaller
known for
budgets
leveraging
and
sophisticated algorithmic
limited
trading strategies
GPU
played a
clusters
pivotal
can
role
still
in supporting
deploy
the project's infrastructure. Their
DeepSeek
backing ensured
V3 for
DeepSeek
projects
V3 had the
ranging
computing
from
resources it needed,
simple
particularly
text
during
queries
peak
to
training
large-scale
phases when GPU usage was at its
analytics,
highest.
offering a level
This
of
blend of corporate investment and open
accessibility
source
that
philosophy is
fosters
somewhat
innovation.
rare, but has proven successful in
Startups,
propelling the model's
universities, and
development.
smaller
As organizations across different
research
sectors
labs in
begin to
keeping
adopt
with
DeepSeek V3,
contemporary
the model's
trends,
impact
DeepSeek
continues to
V3
expand. In education, for
underwent
example,
rigorous
instructors are using
fine-tuning.
it to provide personalized tutoring sessions that adapt to each student's level of understanding, moving at a pace that suits the learner. Its dialogue capabilities maintain engagement in a way that static textbooks or video tutorials can't match, offering explanations, examples, and follow-up questions that mimic a human teacher. In business, customer service departments are testing DeepSeek V3's ability to handle consumer inquiries automatically, sometimes even generating empathetic or context-aware responses that can de-escalate frustration. Meanwhile, data analysts turn to its advanced reasoning to sort through massive data sets, spotting patterns and offering interpretations that might take a human team far longer to uncover. By freeing employees to focus on strategic thinking, DeepSeek V3 becomes a force multiplier, not just an automation tool. For companies that once believed large-scale AI development required multi-billion-dollar budgets, DeepSeek V3 has flipped that narrative. Its methodical resource management and training pipeline illustrates how breakthroughs can occur without